Hi guys, in these 5 minutes I will show how to use and install an application called scrcpy by which we can share our phone's display on PC. For this, open any browser and type scrcpy, which is shortcut of scrcpy, and click on the first link. Scroll down. Here we have information about the app. And scroll down, we can get the apps as per Windows, Linux, and the MacBook. So as we are using Windows, click on the window, and we can go to next page and click on the download zip file, latest version. After downloading, create a new folder, and it is easy to, as I show, create a path. Better create in drives and name it. And after that, go to downloads and copy the downloaded one and go back to the newly created one and paste it. And enter into it and copy the path. Go to settings, go to Windows settings and type advanced system settings or environmental settings, environmental variables. So open environmental variables and in downward system variables, path settings, new one, and copy and paste the copied one. I already copied it, pasted it, and click OK, and go back to the folder. And before that, open your mobile phone and open about settings and build number 6 to 7 times, and it will enable the developer option. And go to advanced settings and open the developer options. After development option, scroll down and it will be USB, and in this process please connect your charging cable to PC and with your mobile. After that, open the folder and go to and run as administrator as is shown in as I am doing. After running as administrator, it will be directly connected to your phone, that your phone display will be displayed on your system. You can do anything on the phone which will be shown on your display. You can play anything. You can play also YouTube on it, and you can also control by using your mouse. You can control your mobile using your mouse. As I am opening a video, I'm opening this render hacker video just for 10 seconds, less than 10 seconds for the showing purpose. Copy minutes video, 10 seconds video by. Please don't strike me. And this is a complete process is completed. It is a very short and sweet and useful video. Without any lags, I have completed the video. Hope you have understood the video.